What up, guys? How's it going? Welcome back to my channel. I'm bored. I wasn't going to do a video, so it's a little after midnight. It's been a challenge, or no, I won't say a challenge, just this thing I've seen on YouTube a lot. Been on there for years, so it's nothing new. But I figured I'll give it a shot and give it a try. It involves the microwave, so let's give it a shot. Got to go to the grocery store and go get the product, and let's go do it. Made it to the store, so let's go in. Need to get one of these when it snows. Like 15 bucks. That's not bad. I was told Ivory soap works, so I gotta find Ivory soap. Yeah. This should do. Thank you. $1.66. Got the soap, heading back. So let's give this a shot. Back, getting ready to do the Ivory soap in the microwave. It's nothing new. It's been on YouTube for a long time, so I'm just giving it a shot because it looked cool every time I saw it, and just always wanted to try it. So here we go. Get it open. Make sure it's unwrapped. Get it. Here we go. Let's go. Just try 3. I could always end it. And I'm probably gonna turn the lights off so we can see it. There it goes. Let me turn the light off. And here we go. Oh, see something? Oh. Holy crap. This is so cool. Kids, don't try this at home unless your parents are home. So, don't want your mom. This is a good way to clean the microwave. This thing is cool. Wonder how big it'll get. Looks like a giant cloud or cotton candy. Starting to hit the sides. And we're only started at 3. Ooh, man, I should end it. I should end it. Turn the light back on. Or should I keep it going? Ho ho ho! Look at this. This is from a soap, a bar soap. Ooh, it's warm. Holy crap. It feels so cool though. Should I eat it? Oh my God, that is disgusting. Oh, I gotta clean that up. Holy crap, but look at that. Oh. But that looks cool, but I got a mess to clean up. Thanks guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. The microwave's clean. Think I got the taste out of my mouth, so. But again, if you liked it, please smash that thumbs up button and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you could, please. And see you guys in the future.